more problems
You're mad rocking with your best friend.
Feeling a bit stupid.
You're now rocking with the best.
And I guess this is the feeling of getting shots from Cupid.
Hey yo, Sean, you Mr. Kingston.